Hello guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys is how you can add text to your videos and to your photos through the Inshot editing app. And yeah, that's pretty much it, so let's get right into it. So as far as I'm aware, the process is basically the same for both videos and photos. So pretty much this tutorial will help you with both of those. However, I will be using videos just because there is one slight difference which I want to show you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see, you have these three options, and I'll choose the video option to edit a video. And as you can see, your gallery will open with all the videos you have in your gallery and your device in general. So let's say I'll pick this first one, and I'm taken to this video. As you can see, this is your main overview window where you have all these options for editing. You have the review track in the bottom where you can add more videos or photos in the bottom left by clicking the plus icon, and you can press play to actually play the video and review the changes that you've made. Now here in this tool bar, or whatever you want to call it, as you can see near the beginning, you have this text icon, and if you click that, you will have this option where you can add stickers, text, captions, details, doodles, whatever you want. Of course, we want to click text, and as you can see, this text box opens here, which you can resize, delete it by clicking the X, drag it wherever you want on the screen. Let's say I want it in the top of my screen. Let me just resize it down a notch. Whoops. Yeah, you can flip it as well, obviously. So by clicking on that, now you can type any text you want and click the OK button or the check mark, and you will have your text on your screen. Now the difference I wanted to show you here is this little bar. You can drag this along, and you can decide how long, or rather which part of the videos you want this text to cover, and by setting it however you like, you will have your text until that point, and as you can see, the text disappears after that point. That would be it from me, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.